Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to properly install FitGirl Repack games. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings and turn off the real-time protection. And select yes and just minimize this page. And now double click on the setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB of RAM, then check mark this box, guys. And make sure nothing is running in the background. And then select the next option and select next. Select the location where you want to save this game and select next. And check all these and select install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before. Scroll down. Select add or remove exclusions. Select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder, guys. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. After selecting it, select folder option and now the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. Now just to close stuff here and uncheck this option, guys. Open this site and redirect to this site and then select finish option. And after getting all files okay, there is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And the game opens up without having any problem. And now you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.